Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how we can make fade in and fade out audio and video by using Canva. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me take one blank canvas of video. Okay, so just go to the create, click on video, and you can take your desired size. So I just choose this YouTube video. Okay, now you can upload your video from here. Go to the upload and select that video. Now it will be start uploading. Now just select that video, it will be add here. Let me play now. Okay, now this is a video, and if you want to fade up your video, fade in and fade out, so you need to just detach that video from background. Just okay, and resize it like this. Before that, you need to just select the okay, you need to add the blank one here. This is background sections. Now select that background, select the black color only. Now just make your video size fit to the canvas. Now go to the animation. Here go to the scroll down and go to the fade. Here the select both sides, minimize the speed. Okay, now you can see, let me play it. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, and if you want to give the fade up and fade in fade out effects to the audio, then you need to just select that audio. If you don't find audio file here, just select that audio video, right click on it and go to the extract audio. Then audio will be extract. Now select that, and here the fade in option. Now you can select the size in fade in 3 second or 1 and whatever second you want. And just now let me play. Yeah, done. Now you can just go share, download as a mp4, adjust the quality and download it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.